Look at that. Oh wow, they even have a lot of frogs here. Wow. Hello, welcome to Hong Kong and welcome to Sham Shui Po. So right now I'm in a very local area of Hong Kong. I just got out of the metro, which is exit C1. Let's see how it is. It's very popular, known for its technology. They have a lot of secondhand technology. Also, unfortunately, it's one of the poorest places in Hong Kong. But in this market, you're gonna find a lot of food. You're going to find a lot of stuff over here. So yeah, just to see how it is. I think it's great to explore this area. Like, look at this. Like, this guy is just chilling right over here. Look at this. Literally laying down right next to a metro station. Okay, he has his rice cooker. He has everything just right over here. And you can see over here, it's pretty cool. They have like bamboo scaffolding. Look at this. Bam. Really cool. Let me just go through the electronic market real quick and show you what kind of things they're selling over here too. This guy. To be real with you, there are a lot of older people over here in Hong Kong, which I did not expect. Just in general, I'd say the population of Hong Kong is very aging. But yeah, let's just keep on going. So I do want to show you over here, or just in many places, they're selling SIM cards for different foreign countries, for like Japan, Korea, Europe. If you want to get a SIM card, you can get it over here. So if you're probably wondering like how much is a Hong Kong dollar to USD, a Hong Kong dollar to USD is $1 USD equals about 7.78 Hong Kong dollars. And if you want to get the best exchange rate, I would advise you to Chongqing Mansion, which is a very popular, how do I say, building or area, and it's in Tsim Sha Tsui. And if you want, you can just go to my previous video and I show you Chongqing Mansion prices, but literally give you about the exact same exchange rate. Very good. There's a lot of business that happens in that building. That's for another video, but yeah. So in general, this is what we're seeing right now. A lot of technology stuff. Headless headphones. Sorry, headless headphones. This happens, guys. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit tired right now. But wireless headphones. And then they have cell phone cases. A lot of cell phone accessories, to be real with you. And we just keep going straight. Pretty much gonna see a lot of the people, they just, how do I want to say, they just copy each other. It's like, okay, there's another cell phone SIM card company. LED lights. They're selling used cell phones. And then also Chinese New Year is coming up, so they have this. Now let me just show you, like, look at this. Keep in mind, $1 US equals approximately 8 of their money, 7.8. Very interesting, just to see. We don't have any name brand fashion brands over here, but it's not bad. Oh, they have Nike, $169. Then I have some local food over here. You know what's kind of cool in Hong Kong? They always they're actually this Chinese tradition. Like they always hang the food outside of the shop. The reason that is they want to confirm with you that what you're buying is exactly the food you're getting. Another local shop over here that's selling washing equipment and stuff. But hey guys, there's also an electronic area which is very famous over here. It's called Golden Computer Arcade, which has a lot of video game stuff and a lot of cool things. So let's go inside of it and see how it is. But I think give it a feel for this area. Ah man, I just remembered there's also a wet market over here too. Well, we have approached the wet market here in Hong Kong. Wet markets are very famous in Hong Kong and also around Asia. Ground level, we're gonna find some fish, meat, some other stuff, flowers I guess too. And then second level, we're gonna find some apples, some vegetables. And yeah, let's just go inside and see how it is. Exploring. Hello. A lot of meat just on my hook. Hi, hello, how are you? They have fish heads over here, fresh fish. Like, look at this. It's amazing. Wow, it's really amazing. I believe this is fresh tuna. Every price they like measure it, and then they have different prices. Really cool. And you have to watch out. Like, the floor is very slippery, and it's not a cleanliness place. Like, obviously, I smell a lot of fish and stuff. Which, what do you expect in a market like this? But yeah, just gotta be careful how I walk. Look at this. Wow. Really cool. Let's go around the people. Yeah. So some of the fish are actually moving in here in the market, some are not. So like look at this. 45. Look at this, it's moving on the table. This is normal in Asia. Normal in Hong Kong. I like it. Very nice. Well, I like it. It's actually, you can tell it's really fresh food. But obviously, I feel bad for the fish and stuff, but that's how it is. Anytime. Look at that. Oh, wow. They even have a lot of frogs here. Wow. Wow. Crazy. So many frogs. I never seen this in a market. Wow. Very cool. I never seen this in a market. Wow. Now we are headed to the second level, but just look at that. Oh my god. This is more of the veggie and open market area too. They're selling the same things on the streets, to be real with you. But it's just cool just to see like this little egg area. And there might be some duck eggs, some normal chicken eggs, some spices over here too. Wow. Very cool. Beans and spices and whatnot. Look at that. Whoa, they have live chickens over here too. Live poultry. Look at this. Wow. 180, 170, 160. Chicken wings. They didn't have duck head. Wow. Hello. They have a lot of different meats and stuff too. It's crazy just to see this. And look how many people are over here too, so it's very popular with the locals here in Hong Kong. So now it's on the third level, and they have a major food court. I just want to show you how it is. So there are a lot of vendors. This is from one. You can see this guy's like the duck stuff. So one to all around to like, what is it, level 20 or something? Sorry, level 20. It's like number 20 food vendor. Some of the food vendors are vacant right now because it is later in the day. But I just want to give you an idea, like just how massive this place is. Look at this. They have a lot of, I believe, like what is that called? Like tea. Oh, I'd say it's tea. It's like a big tea. They could drink, like have a lot of drinks and whatnot. But yeah, they have a restroom here as well. But this massive area here in Hong Kong. Honestly, I think it's more of like an older person area, which from what I've seen, like many of the customers are older people. And you can see my Instagram, I did come here. Let me show you, like these are some of the prices, like beer for $27. This is like about like $3, $4. And then we have over here like some of the meals, which honestly I don't know the prices, but right here, 20, 50, 80 for some shrimp. You're gonna pay for like a proper meal, probably around like, I would say around $20 USD if you want to get like a good like expansion. But very interesting, this whole food court. Now we're at this street. Can you please tell me what street we're at? Oh, it's missing a character. It's missing a letter. But yeah, so I'm going down this street because this is where we're going to end up going to. And you know where we're going? We are going to the electronic market. which, don't get me wrong, a lot of places outside, the vendors are selling electronics. This is the authentic market here. If you want to see video games, if you want to see computers, and some other stuff as well, but they have a lot of stuff in regards to technology. Which is cool also is tax prices are very cheap in Hong Kong too, or like non-existent. So you're gonna find the best prices for technology over here in Hong Kong. So let's go inside of the Golden Arcade of Hong Kong and see what products are offering. So they have a lower floor just right over here as we're entering. I just want to give you an idea. They have a lot of gaming products as well as computers and computer components. There's some shops that are closed obviously because we're in the evening, so some may have closed and maybe some are up for rent. 188 Hong Kong dollars for stuff. Dragon Ball 2 Universe, 358. 358 to USD is about, what do I want to say, like $30-40. Honestly, it's hard for me to convert this right off my head, but you can do it. Remember, 7.78 Hong Kong dollars equals 1 USD. So 350 would be like $30. They have also a lot of a lot of computer accessories as well. The thing is, I have to be careful when I'm recording because a lot of people are just bumping into me and stuff too. But just keep in mind that the stuff, like you see, is very crowded. It's pretty popular amongst locals. This is like cell phone accessories and whatnot. But Hong Kong is very famous for having a low tax rate or even zero tax rate. So when you go to Hong Kong, come here and check it out for yourself because you may get a better price in Hong Kong than in your local country. Even in the US, maybe there's better prices over here. And so we have here like PSPs, we have, let me show you the guide real quick. 2880 for the PSP, 1,280. Oh, we have a lot of good deals, honestly. 1,280 is less than $200. 198. Yes, 1,680. 180, and you get all those Pokemon packets. 8 packets for 180 Hong Kong dollars. That looks like a deal. I'm sure it is. Oh, look at that. We have one that has like a straight packet. This one 180. EX. So you can see there's a pretty interesting place though. There's a place up for rent too, as well, if you want to rent a place. Check it out. I think I'm going to go out through it this way. And keep in mind, guys, there's a lot of other things in this building too, like they have Blu-rays. Blu-rays. So crazy. Blu-rays are out of date. DVDs and there's Blu-rays. Blu-rays were like an amazing thing. Now it's out of date as well.